Hi everyone, I am Mamadou Jabel from the Gambia and I attended the Odurinde web development class. It was conducted by Odurinde and directed by Mr. Emmanuel. And the class was super insightful. We learned how to structure web pages with HTML and making them look awesome with CSS, from styling text and layout to creating visually appealing designs. It was a great hands-on experience. Explaining the explanation were clear and practically exercises helped solidify the concept. And I really appreciate how interactive the class was. Odurinde did a great job breaking things down and making it easy to follow, even if you were new to coding. Plus the real world examples made everything clicked in. If there is one thing I would suggest, maybe a bit more time on advanced CSS techniques or animations would be cool next time. But overall, it was a solid learning experience. Big shout out to Odurinde for the awesome class, and I thank all my fellow participants. If you are looking to get started with web development class, I highly recommend learning HTML and CSS. It's a game changer. Thank you once again, and thanks for watching. Thank you, Odurinde. We really learned a lot. Thank you.